Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, June 18th. A couple items here on the economic calendar, so we'll jump right into it. We'll start off with the housing starts for the month of May. Last one was revised actually a little bit higher, housing starts, so it was revised a little bit higher to 1.28 million. Forecasts for calling for 1.23 million, and it came in at 1.27 million. So it looks like it dropped, but in reality, because it was revised a little bit higher, uh, it came in lower. So technically it came in lower, but that's all based on the revision. Without the revision, it actually went upwards. So obviously a decent number here. We should be pleased with this. Building permits for the month of May. We had 1.29 million. Forecast was calling for about 1.3, and it came in at 1.29 million. So kind of across the board, kind of easy squeezies, and what they say. Again, not much, really no revision to for building permits, so that's pretty much all in line with what we're looking at. Today, the Fed begins their two-day meeting, the FOMC. We'll get the announcement tomorrow at 11:15. There's no expectation of a rate cut or hike tomorrow. We believe that what's going to happen tomorrow is going to be setting the stage for July's meeting, which most likely will be when they will do a rate cut. So we think tomorrow's will be kind of this preparing everybody for a rate cut, so to speak. So let's jump ahead to the news or headline news. We got the stock market is up. It's actually heating up quite a bit here, and it's actually on the heels of comments made by ECB's Mario Draghi, basically stating that he's going to make it a lot more accommodative. They're having stubbornly low inflation over there, and the German Bund actually went to further in negative territory. So the yields on the German Bund is now 30 basis points under in negative territory. So basically, if you want to invest it, you have to pay them to invest in it versus them giving you a return on it. So regardless, yields are crashing as a result of it, and that's on a global level, and you'll see that in our side, yields have come down a bit too. So let's jump ahead here. Bond market is up. We're up about 9 basis points. We're down for the day so far, but from yesterday where we left off, we're up about 9 basis points. East Coast, they may have better pricing today. It depends from what we have. We're pretty close to where we should be unchanged reports here on the West Coast. But East Coast, because they start off much higher, they're even up like 20 basis points. So they may have come out with a little better pricing this morning and may price them, may hold off and see what it does during the daytime. But for us here on the West Coast, we're about only up 9 basis points. And again, may only get about unchanged pricing here. So we may not see a whole lot of change in our pricing today. Here's the yields, as I was saying. It dropped below this pretty strong floor of resistance here, and did touch on the next level down. Right now we're at 2.06. We'll see if it can maintain that or not, but a lot of it is the heating up of the stock market. A lot of them, they compete for dollars, the bond market and the stock market. And Dow right now is up about 400 points right now, and that's just kind of heating up and taking people are rather putting the money into equities versus bonds right now. All right, so again, I'm going to go ahead and say there's no change in pricing today. If you guys are out there, you're looking to I think you guys could probably float if you guys are in any transactions right now. If longer term, any short term, obviously you're probably gonna have to lock in just so you can get low docs that out. But in the meantime, if you can float, I would go ahead and float a little bit. It's possible we could see with this here, this could lead to lower yields further, which would put less pressure on bonds, allow the bonds to continue its upward trend and get better pricing for interest rates. All right, folks. Again, I'm going to go out and say here on the West Coast, no pricing remains the same. Mortgage rates remain unchanged, but on the East Coast, most likely they got better rates today. But that could change as the day goes on if our gains shrink a bit further. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.